Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect RoboForex to MT5. And for this, we go first of all to accounts and then we click on demo account. And then we want to create a demo account as an example. So we select right here trading platform MetaTrader 5, account type MT5 demo pro is fine, hedge system is fine, then this leverage is also fine, and then this start deposit is fine too. Then we fill in a password right there. So you need to remember this password, so don't do it very difficult. Make it something easy. Not too easy, otherwise hackers will break in your account. But now we click here on confirm. And now you need to log in with this account number and this password. The next step, what we will do is, first of all, we copy this. And then the next step is we go to help and then we select here download MT5. Select on the setup, then we do yes. And then right now we do next. And then he is downloading the RoboForex MT5 terminal setup for PC. It's a 64-bit. And then once the download is done, we click on finish. And now he will start up the MT5. So we click now on next. Select RoboForex, then we do connect with an existing account. We do Control V, and then right here we do our password that we created. And then from here we select the RoboForex Pro. Now we do finish, and boom, there we are. We just connected our RoboForex with the MT5 trader. So this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.